quiz will be there. So by mistake, I have written dictation word 6 and numbers.
Doesn't matter. You
So
can
then
run
I
it.
can write dictation 7.
Now see Vihan, the thing is now the notebooks will be read by only and only you. So you have to understand what you have written and what mistake you have done. So it is up to you how to make that correction.
Yes, ma'am.
Swati ma'am, now it has started.
Ah, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Correct. Thanks.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have 1 week, so I think
Now 30 students are already there. I want first, let us start with the speaking skill. Okay. For writing revision, let us wait for 5-6 minutes more. Now, do you remember that to everybody, each and everyone, I had showed you in the presentation the story of two cats and a monkey?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Cunning monkey, clever monkey like you all. Okay. And few of you are very quarrelsome like cats. Okay. Always quarreling. Okay. Just tell me whether you do remember that or not. Dhyan Dalal, do you remember that
Yes, ma'am,
story?
I remember.
Because you were not there for the reading session. Dhyan. But I hope you must have heard that story. So
Ma'am,
now
I
here,
remember.
I would like 5-6 students to present again the same story. That is because from the others, I did not get the expected reply, expected revert. You know what expectation was for presentation, for narrating that story. So I'm giving you 1 minute and I'm taking 6 names. So within 1 minute, those 6 names will reappear, will represent the same story. Clear? Is that clear? So here I call upon Ayush Singhania, Lama Shah. You just show me your thumbs so that I can understand that you have understood it. Yes. Dhyan Dalal, are you ready for that? Do you know that story? Will you be able? Okay, doesn't matter. Riva Kataria. I cannot see her. Okay, Vihan. Okay. Riddhi Goyal and Samu. Anushka Choraria. Okay. And I cannot see Nishika actually. I cannot see Nishika actually. But if I would be able to see her, I would ask her. Now, after exactly 1 minute, we all shall start presenting. Okay. One by one. One after another, I will take your name. So here starts your 1 minute for revision.
Ma'am, what did you tell, ma'am?
Ma'am, when you told this, ma'am, I was not in there in the class when you told the cats and the monkey story, so I know that I have read it.
Then you can. Doesn't matter. You can present if you know the story.
Ma'am, what did you tell now?
Sorry.
I'm Nishika. What did you tell, ma'am?
Nishika, now I can see you. So Nishika, I want that same story to be presented. Okay?
With that weighing machine and all, no, ma'am?
Sorry?
With that thing which I brought.
Nishi, I'm not getting you.
The weighing scale, ma'am. With the weighing scale.
Ma'am,
Yes, Riddhi?
we have to say the story or we have to
Say it,
write
say
it?
it. No. Only 5 or 6 students will narrate the story to or listening others. So they will understand how to narrate it impressively. Okay? Effectively. I want that.
Ma'am, with the weighing
Yes. Okay, shall we start?
Okay, must start, please.
Shall we start? I want Ayush Singhania because he was the best presentation. His presentation was the best presentation, I tell you. So I want Ayush Singhania, and after that Lamha. After Ayush, Lamha. So Ayush, we are all are waiting for you. Please start. And louder, and let everybody listen it carefully. Louder.
Once upon a time, there lived two cats in a sitting village of Dholakpur. The both cats were very
Can everybody
greedy.
hear? Okay.
No, a
They
little
both
slow.
cats were very greedy and always wanted to eat. Once upon a time, this one man dropped a piece of bread on the road. Both cats saw the bread on the same time. They ran with the bread, but they reached there at the same time. They started fighting. This is my bread. You are taking, snatching my bread, said the cat number one. No, you are saying lie. You are stealing my bread, said the cat number two. They kept fighting for the bread. Then a monkey came and saw them fighting. Why are you fighting? Why are you fighting? Said the monkey. Because she is stealing my very good and very delicious bread. No, he's stealing my very delicious bread. Stop fighting. I will make this piece of bread equal. The monkey tore the bread in two parts. But the cat one saw that my piece is smaller. Give me that piece. I also wanted the same piece. Monkey also thought this bread is bigger and this smaller. He thought that this bread was smaller and this bread was bigger. He again took a bite. Then he saw this bread was smaller and this was bigger. He take a bite.
Okay. Okay. Ayush. Ayush, enough. Ayush, enough. It was wonderful presentation. Now I want to ask you that have you understood what voice modulation was? How he presented, how he narrated that in a different voice, the different characters. Okay, he could present different characters and how the cats were quarreling, how was the monkey suggesting them, what was his answer. Those all things very effectively he said. Now let us switch on to Lamha, our heroine. So start.
Okay, ma'am. Once upon a time, there lived two cats named Chinu and Meenu.
Good.
One day, they both went to a rich man's house. They saw a piece of bread. They took it and ran away. When they went back, they both were fighting. So let's hear what this Chinu said. Chinu said that, no, this is my bread. You don't take it. Then Meenu said that, oh no, it is my bread. Okay, don't lie. Then Chinu and Meenu both started fighting. By passing the way, a clever monkey came and said, oh, you both cats, why you both are fighting? Then Chinu said, she's stealing my bread. Then Meenu said, oh, liar, I'm not stealing your bread. You are stealing my bread. And then the clever monkey said that, wait, let me give you the bread equally. And when he gave the bread equally, one piece of bread was bigger and the other was smaller. And then Chinu said that, I will eat the bigger one, not you. Meenu said, no, I will eat the bigger one, not you. Then they both started fighting again. Then the clever monkey said, no, let me bite it again. Then this cycle went again and again and again. The piece of bread was finished. Chinu said that, oh no, what will we eat now? This monkey ate our whole bread. Then the clever
Enough,
monkey
enough.
said,
Enough, Lummy, enough. Wow, superb it was. Yes, did you enjoy the story? If this is the way to narrate, to present, then the audience enjoy. And the exact feelings can... Mickey, you also want to? But just wait, I have already asked others before you join. Okay, so let us finish that, then I will give you turn. Yes, was it Vihan? If I mistake not, it was Vihan's turn. After Vihan, Samu. After Vihan, Samu, and then Nishika.
Once upon a time, there were two cats. They were roaming in the city, and then they reached a bread shop. They saw many of breads, but they said, "How we can go inside? They will catch us." So they said. So one man came out, take the bread and came out. He was walking, but by mistake he fell the bread on the road. So they both saw the bread at the same time. So they said,
Ayansh, it properly.
"This is my bread." "No, this is my bread." So they started fighting. Then a monkey named Chinku
Enough.
came.
Enough, Vihan, enough. See, we are running shortage of time. Actually, I wanted everybody of you to speak out something. But now, do you remember that? Have you gone through the mail that I have sent you, classroom communication? That now from today onwards, there will be no reading part. In the last week, what we did, I showed you the story and I asked you to narrate it. Now from today, I have already given you the topics and I have sent yesterday the list of the topics and the list of the selected students. Okay, so today which 8 students are there, they are supposed to talk, they are supposed to speak about my favorite festival. In the same way, tomorrow's date, tomorrow's student are fixed and sent to you. Okay, so now I want you to present yourself in such a way, in such an effective way. Is that clear, everybody? What you have to do in our reading session from today itself. Clear? So now shall we start with our revision because it is already 9:16. Then there will be no time for revision. Okay, so now open your notebook. I hope you must have written date and day and the heading revision. Yes, the heading revision. Mickey, it was already sent yesterday. The whole list was sent yesterday, Mickey. In that, your name must be there. So see which topic is there. After our class, you can go through class communication and you can see your name for which topic it is been decided. Okay, so here I'm showing you presentation, revision.
Nisha Chandrana and Vivan Balchandani, camera please on. Make it on.
I'm a phone only.
No, bacha.
Now you can see me.
Ma'am,
Yes, dear.
ma'am, in speaking skills, Maya say water. So in that, can I draw and show it also?
No, what topic is given to you, you have to stick with it. Can you see the revision shared with you? No, why it is so?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Now we
Yes,
can
ma'am, now
see.
it's visible.
It is there? Okay. So start writing.
We can see question number 5 and 6 means.
Yes, Swati ma'am, it is showing from 5.
3, 4.
Okay, okay, okay.
Ma'am, we have to write only A, B, and C only, no?
Only answer. No, you have to write down friend is a answer noun. You have to write down the full sentence, but along with answer.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to write down full sentence, but along with answer. Only word of the answer will not be accepted. Dhyan Dalal.
Ma'am, in notebook.
In notebook, of course. Otherwise, where will you write down?
Ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Paranika.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah,
Beta, please
Stop
chat and
speaking.
communicate.
Everybody stop
Because
speaking all together,
together.
one by one. If you all speak
Or
together,
either
she cannot
chat and
answer.
communicate. I shall answer you. Please chat and communicate.
Next year, right? That's right. Function is starting. Right? Second one, fast.
Swati ma'am, if we are able to write questions, could we write?
Question you have to write, but along with the answer, what I mean to say is the sentence with answer you will have to write down. Shall I show you the first one?
Ma'am, we understood it's common. We understood it.
Ma'am, we have to write options A, B, or C.
No.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, I want the answer from you.
Common.
Correct. Correct.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Swati ma'am, like this.
that spelling is wrong.
What is wrong, beta?
Ma'am, neuter spelling.
Ma'am,
Just a minute.
excuse me.
Swati ma'am, I wanted to ask that we can write the choose the correct option just like the filling in blanks. Like friend is a dash noun, so we can write in the dash common noun.
Swati ma'am, we have
Don't
to
write.
write this.
See now. Can you see my presentation?
Yes, ma'am.
See in red what I have written. I want your
Excuse
answer
me,
in
Blue
that way.
tent or carbon.
You
Okay,
will
ma'am.
write down number 1. You will write down number 1 and you will write down exactly the way in which I have written.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Underline the answer. Underline the answer.
Hello, ma'am. Excuse me.
Swati ma'am, Khevna's mother wants to speak to you.
Yes, Khevna?
मैम प्रेजेंटेशन दिख ही नहीं रहा बिल्कुल भी. कितनी बार रिजॉइन किया, 2-3 बार रिजॉइन भी किया.
Khevna, but actually everybody else can see. मैं चैट पे आपको सेम थिंग भेज रही हूँ. प्लीज कॉपी इट.
ओके, थैंक यू मैम.
Swati ma'am, but I have recommended one. So can you write down? Please don't write.
Presentation. Shivna, print the presentation.
I have pinned it. Swati ma'am. Swati ma'am.
Wait, beta, wait. Rudra, can you unmute? Can you mute yourself, Rudra, Khevna? Mute yourself. Anushka, wait, beta.
In the same way, we asked.
See, those who cannot see properly the presentation, for them I have sent the same thing on the chat. So now, Khevna, I hope it is all right for you.
Swati ma'am, Anushka Chauraya wants to talk to you.
Yes, Anu?
Ma'am, I have written, but friend is in dash noun, and the dash I have written common noun.
Second answer. Steps of this process. Start the process.
So what is your problem, but what you have to ask?
So ma'am, it is right way to write, no?
Yes, what I have shown you already, Anushka. I have already shown you how to write down. Lakshay, stop yawning, beta. Still, are you sleeping? Ayansh, no talking. Start writing.
Ma'am,
I hope you have understood how to write down now. Yes, Rudra?
ma'am, we can do like this. Friend is a noun in black and the answer in blue.
Again, it becomes then for controls, right? Then you derive the benefits to the organizations and employees. Okay, got it? Number 5.
Yes, come on, tell me the answer.
Two. T-O. T-double-O.
Enough, stop shouting.
So we have to handle the workers maintain the relation. Right? You will have to provide for social security as well. Right. Number 6. Okay. Method of recruitment training.
Yes, what will be the answer?
First one is not get on and off.
And
Yes,
it is
correct.
to give. To give.
He makes use of the
Not is to give. C. 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 C.
Able to do this answer the first one, question number 6 in that first one.
It's C, Ayush.
Brains.
Whose presentation is not clear, I'm sending the same thing on the chat. So no need of sending your answers on the chat, please.
Ma'am, can you just scroll it down?
Of course, I'm scrolling.
Ma'am, question 3. Number 3.
I don't have not anything funding, right? But I don't have anything right now. Still, if I'm getting the application, I'll keep it as reserves.
Ma'am, it is A, red.
Need of employers, I choose that application. What?
Ma'am, it is A1, red.
Yes, it is A1, correct.
What is the name of resources? Money? Give me an answer.
Is there anybody who is still writing 3? Third one? Is there anybody?
Ma'am, I.
Third answer, still.
Ayush, mute yourself, better.
Oh, yeah.
Because can you? Because you can type your answer in a one word only.
Many.
Yeah.
Many.
Good,
Yes, ma'am, it's many.
good.
How can you solve the issue? Tell me. I was
Do not forget to underline your answer, please.
Ma'am, just show the sixth one.
Which one?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, fourth one is Mandy. The fifth one is Mandy.
And somebody is neither of us can't.
And you will replace the box. It's your color.
Now, Aryaman,
Samriddhi, mute yourself, beta.
Aryaman, I will be sending the soft copy of the same thing. You can copy it afterwards.
There is a much class, but still giving us.
कौन है? पण तू तर काही सांगत रे.
Uncountable.
Uncountable.
The soft copy of this.
And is uncountable.
Yes, correct.
Directly you are going to company and asking for the government. But here, yes, you can
Do not forget to underline, please.
Most of the senior citizens as well as commerce are good. I think we will have 2 to 3 answers. Answer. I would like that. Okay. Right, but for this,
Ma'am, is there seventh one too?
No,
there published
only 6 today.
can be there also. Right? Okay. Question number 7.
Only 6 today.
But ma'am, is there any other question?
Yes, there is. And now I am giving you the question, but answer you have to type and send me. Answer you have to type and send me. You don't have to write. You have to write it down in your notebook as well as on the chat. In the notebook as well as in the chat.
Ma'am, in both, we have to write. Ma'am,
I gave you my example. The way of
ma'am, in both we have to write.
In notebook also you have to write down, and in the chat also you have to send me right now.
Excuse me. Starting ma'am.
Ma'am,
Production of new employees.
ma'am, it is beautiful, beautiful.
Here we'll explain to you
Come on, make a sentence, send it to me and write it in the notebook as well. Khevna, are you able to see the presentation? Not yet.
Ma'am, what do we have to do? I didn't understand.
that now for this part of the 7th chapter. The moment. Wait.
Ma'am,
Figure.
the heading will be a second question.
Wait.
First. Figure. Figure.
Ma'am, I've sent one. Did you see?
No, not yet. समृद्धि, धैर्य, जहान, आर्यमन, लम्हा, विहान, युगबारिया. Perfect. But Samriddhi, why all letters capital? Jahan Jariwala, why first letter is not capital? This is exactly the mistake for which you lose the marks. Yug Baria has used the plural form in a perfect way. Aryaman, you are a boy. You cannot say I am beautiful. Boys are never beautiful. Aryaman, boys are handsome. So this is very wrong answer, Aryaman. Please correct yourself. You cannot be beautiful. Rudra, speaker off.
Yes. Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, did you see my sentence?
Ayush, I have not got your answer. I'm giving you marks for this answer. Huh? Send me fast. And Samriddhi, write again in a proper form. First letter capital, all others are small. Ridhan Goyal, send me the answer fast. Karna, Farzan, I'm waiting for your answers.
ma'am,
Ma'am, I have sent.
Question number 9.
ma'am, the heading will be
Ma'am,
of
did you
the
see
question is make a sentence with the given.
Rudra, Ekansh, I have not yet received your answers.
Ma'am,
Chat has sent fast.
Swati ma'am, did you see mine?
See, I have taken your name, whose I have seen. Samriddhi, Dhairya, Jahan, Aryaman, Lamha, Vihan, and Yug. Send fast.
Ma'am, I have sent mine as well.
Send it again then.
Ma'am, I've also sent my friend.
Ma'am, I have also sent.
Mother went for work.
Ma'am, I have also sent.
Yes, here you are, Ekansh. Samriddhi, again, what is this all capital? Samriddhi, I will not accept this. Ekansh Jain, first letter is not capital, no full stop is there. I will not accept this. Arna Agarwal, very good and thank you. Rudra, correct.
Ma'am, I write all small letters only.
No, Samriddhi, your all capital answers are there. Capital letters are there.
Ma'am, in the fourth one,
Dhairya Shah, just a minute. Wait a minute. Dhairya Shah, Dhairu bhai, we should be always happy in life. A wonderful sentence. Let me give a clap for you. Very nice sentence.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am,
I also sent.
ma'am, I also sent 3.
Yes, Khevna, Jahan Jariwala, Preya, Vivan. Vivan Balchandani, my the rose. What is this? My the rose. Preya, good. Paranika, good. My friend name Paranika, wrong. Wrong sentence, Paranika. My friend name, my friend's name. So it is wrong. Okay, Rudra, correct. Ayush Singhania, correct.
Ma'am.
Nishika, correct. Ihan, wonderful sentence. Ayan Jain, is and beautiful. In between, you have to give a space bar. You correct. Riddhi, correct. Vivan Patel, correct.
Ma'am,
Lamha, love you. Very good.
ma'am, my which sentence?
No. Jahan, correct. Aryaman, correct. Riva, correct. Arna, correct. Vansh Balchandani, correct. No, Vansh Balchandani, wrong. Rose, very beautiful. What do you mean by this sentence? Rose, very beautiful. Where is the verb? Khush Ahuja, correct. Twisha Chandarana, correct. Paranika, correct. Shiva Kataria, correct.
I send it.
Riddhi Goyal, correct. Vivan Balchandani, Yash Desai, correct. You are not supposed to talk. I'm checking your answers. Stop talking. Yash Desai, Jahan Agarwal. But Jahan Agarwal, my mother's mein apostrophe is wrong. Your mother's spelling apostrophe you have given wrong. Vivan Patel, Rudra Master. Today day is what? Rudra Master, wrong sentence. Day cannot be beautiful. Can you see the beauty of the day, Rudra Master? It's very wrong sentence. You cannot see the beauty of the day. So, and today day, what is today day? Karna, Farzan, stop yawning. Jishna Swami, correct. And very good sentence.
Staffing and then selection.
Preya, very good.
The whole process.
Oh, Mickey, take me also with you to see the movie. Very good sentence. By the way, I must be capital in I am. Mickey, correct yourself. I must be capital. Nishika, good. Dhairya, good.
Ma'am, fourth sentence.
Ekansh, no, only 3. Samriddhi, very good. Ekansh, good. Karnav, correct. Jahan Jariwala, correct.
Ma'am, I have sent you many times. You are receiving.
Yug Baria, correct.
And answer of second question is job description.
Ayush Singhania, correct. Riddhi Goyal. Arav Patel. Mickey. Mickey, why are you asking Jahan?
In first step,
Dhyan Dalal, correct.
मैं आनंद मित्तल को आप आयुष पढ़ते हो.
Ma'am, he's writing safe coronavirus is dangerous. So he's writing safe coronavirus is dangerous. So I didn't understand. So I am asking him, what
Okay,
are
but
you
you are not
writing?
supposed to talk. Mickey, switch off your mic.
Ma'am, reduce my sentence.
Did you saw? Wrong English. Did you see? Two past tense together should not come. So did you see? Ayansh, you should read the chat of other sentences also, what others have sent. You should go through the chat. This is the reason why I am asking you to send it on the chat, so that all of you should read the other sentences also. You cannot waste your time. Nishi, I want you to read the sentences about what you have, others have written about the same word. Nishika Choksi, question mark should be there after your sentence. Jahan Jariwala, copying me. Copying me is what? Copying my sentence you can write down. Yes, Dhyan Dalal, I agree with you that your mother is really very beautiful. Karnav, check your spellings. Oh wow, Karanika. Please wish him from all of us. Okay, Twisha, very good imagination.
Yes. First step is estimating mental.
Nishika, what is we safe, everyone safe?
Last one is training and development. Right? Then
Spelling of precaution is wrong. Spelling of precaution is wrong.
question number 11. 2 marks.
Ma'am, did you see
8 seconds. Ekansh Jain, my mom buy nahi, my mom bought. Ekansh Jain, my mom bought me my favorite book.
Ma'am, did you see my sentence?
Beta, I'm taking your names as and when I'm reading your sentences.
Question number 11.
Riddhi, good. Oh, Aryaman. Okay. Grammatically, it is correct sentence, but I know I'm not beautiful. But since you love me, you find me beautiful. Thank you, Aryaman.
Ma'am, can you give some more words to write sentences on it?
Ayush Singhania, don't send it again and again. Your sentences are correct. Yes, Samriddhi, thank you. Oh, Farzan, yours, Swati ma'am. Thank you, Farzan. Love you. Love you. Mata, आज काही नाही करू शकत. Yes, precaution spelling is now correct. Man, love you. Oh yes, Mickey. Yes, Mickey is very prompt for going. While coming, he may be late, but for going, he exactly shows the time. Yes, Mickey. So 9:42 it is. Please leave and thank you very much. Nice and wonderful revision it was.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Tomorrow class.
Time is written up. So I saw them, so I saw that the time is up.
Tomorrow class test, children.
About
Bye, ma'am.
You did not saw my sentence.
So I read that and tell the time.
Trisha Chandarana, are you listening?
Swati ma'am, you
Trisha,
didn't saw
if
my
you are
sentence once
others-
also.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Lama, please stop. I want to talk to Trisha. Trisha, if flowers, then you cannot write is. Flowers, then are.
Bye, ma'am.
And behave nice, nahi. Behave in a nice way.
and see my sentence.
From where you are writing this sentence, students were saved because 2-3 students wrote the same. Okay, Vivan Patel.
Swati ma'am might be copy paste.
हाँ, exactly. Okay, bye everybody.
Swati ma'am, do you want me to stay or leave?
No, thank you.
Okay, attending. Okay, done. Bye.
Bye.